morning everyone. My name is Gaurav Patel and I welcome you to on my YouTube channel. Today I will present how to make a trigonometric table with different type of trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta and sec theta with different degrees 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And these degrees are well known in different kind of problems. So we face the difficulty to how to make this table when we are solve the problem and different kind of problems. So let me start how to make this table. So first of all, first step is put the whole number in a sequence. So first whole number is 0. So here we put 0. Next is 1. Then 2, 3 and 4. Now the next step is divide whole number by the number of 4. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. The next step is take this operation of divide function and take square root of the answer. So here 0 by 4, sine 0 is equal to here 0 by 4. So answer is 0 and take this square root. So square root of 0 is equal to 0. So here the answer is 0. Now sine 30, it will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, it can be not divided by the natural number. So we put it as same it is, and then we take the square root of 1 by 4. The square root of 1 by 4. So the value is square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 square root of 4 is equal to 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next is 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 and the square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now 3 by 4, it cannot be directly divided with the natural number. So we put as same it is and then we take square root. So it will be square root of root 3 by 4. It will be root 3 divided by 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2. The next is 4 by 4. The answer is 1 and we take the square root of 1 is equal to 1. Now we find this same degree with cos theta. So we put opposite order of sin theta like cos 0 is equal to sin 90. So the answer is 1. Now cos 30, it will be a sin 60. So root 3 by 2. Write opposite order of sin theta, it will be a cos theta. So it will be 1 upon root 2, same it is, and then 1 by 2, and then 0. Now next is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, we know that tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So the value of this is sin theta and this is cos theta. So simply we divide to each other. So 0 by 1, so it will be 0. Next is 10, 30, it will be sine 30 divided by cos 30. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So the answer is 1 upon root 3. Next is 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2, it will be 1. Next is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 2 is equal to root 3. And 1 upon 0, we know that it is indeterminate form. So indeterminate. Now if we find cot theta, so the value of cot theta, it can be like cos theta from sin theta, but here cot theta will be written from tan theta, so it will be the opposite order of tan theta. So the first value is indeterminate, it can be right from here. So the next is root 3, it is the value of cot 30. The next is cot 45, it will be 1, and cot 60, it will be the value of tan 30. And next is cot 90, it will be 0. Now cosec theta, so we know that the relation between sin theta and cosec theta, it will be inversely proportional to each other. So we know that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So the value of sin theta is in denominator of 1. So if we find cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, so cosec 0 equal to 1 upon sin 0, and we know that sin 0 is equal to 0, so 1 upon 0, and we know that 1 upon 0 is equal to indeterminate form. Now the next is cos 30. Sorry, cosec 30. So it will be 1 upon sin 30. So we know that from the table sin 30 equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 divided by 1 upon 2, it will be 2. Same as we can write 45, 60 and 90. Simply 1 divided by 1 upon root 2, it will be root 2. 1 divided by root 3 by 2, it will be 2 by root 3. And 1 divided by 1, it will be 1. Now if we find sec theta, so it is the opposite order of cosec theta. So we can write 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 and indeterminate. So our table is ready, and the values are used in different problems. So if we know how to make this table, we can easily make this table within 1 minute or 1 or 2 minutes. So this is the trick to how to make the table of trigonometry. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you very much.